Welcome to your one-stop tech review shop. Today, we are looking at the Ankbit E700 Headphones. Let's go! Into the box we go, and first up we've got the headphones. Then there is a USB-C cable, the obligatory instruction manual, everybody needs one of these, the auxiliary cable, and here is a product brand leaflet. Now, how many hours of playtime does one get here? Well, you can enjoy up to 60 hours of playtime in standard mode and 45 hours when you've got the ANC mode turned on at about 60% of the volume. The active noise cancellation is independent noise reduction, and this means that this technology is compounding the noise reduction, and you get up to 35 noise reduction depth. This has to be some of the best noise cancelling I've heard in a while. As while I was walking around my town, clippity-clop, I could hear nothing but the sweet tunes of the music I was listening to. And this is very, very, very impressive because I've got quite a noisy town. Then you can also switch between different modes, depending on the environment, like transport, indoor or outdoor. You can also be connected to two devices at the same time, and this means effortlessly switching between music, calls and videos. So if you're taking a call on your phone and watching a movie on your laptop, it can do it all at the same time. Let me talk a little bit about the memory foam here. There is some really great memory foam ensuring comfort as it sits on my head all day long. Memory foam. When it comes to transporting these headphones, I love the way they fold. They fold up and they're nice and small and compact, and they will fit into any bag or case. This is great because some headphones just don't fold very well. Another awesome feature is a 5-minute quick charge. So let's say your headphones are completely dead, and you plug them in for just 5 minutes. What does that give you? It gives you 5 hours of listening time, which is perfect for if you've forgotten to charge them, but you really need them just to go to a gym session, just to listen to some music, just to go for a little walk. 5 minutes buys you 5 hours. That's amazing. Great! The E700s come with not one, not two, not three, but 5 microphones. Yes, 5 microphones. And that means that when you're speaking to somebody on a call, you're gonna be crystal clear. Crystal clear. Oh yeah. 5 microphones. Then unfortunately, there's no app. Everything's got an app these days. Unfortunately, not the E700. No app, and that means no customizable control. And lots of headphones at this price tag have got an app. Then, unfortunately, if you're a gamer, it has no low latency mode. Say that 10 times, low latency mode. Yes, while gamers take note, there is no low latency mode. And any gamer out there wanting to use these as a gaming headset should take note that this feature is missing. So maybe when you pull the trigger, the bullet only goes a second later because there's no low latency mode. Then also there's no auto pause mode. You know, normally when one takes off your headphones, there's a sensor inside that detects it's not on your head anymore. So what does it do? It pauses that track or that podcast right there for you, or that audiobook, meaning that as soon as you put your headphones back on, it'll pick up exactly where it left off. Unfortunately, this is not a feature on the E700. What is a great feature on this very video is that you can like and subscribe it. Yes! So go on over, hit that like and subscribe button right now, and then also the bell icon if you would like to be notified every time we drop a video. And trust me, you do. So go on over, clickety-click. In conclusion, I love the sound of these headphones. They are definitely a great pair of headphones. The Ankbit E700 Pros are easy to use and comfortable enough to wear all day long. The long battery life and active noise cancelling means they're great for travel. So if you're going on those long journeys on the train, or on the plane, well, that doesn't sound like a plane, but yes, you know, if you're going on a plane, these are perfect. Number one, because of that active noise cancelling is going to cancel out those engines really well, and you'll be able to hear the music. And even if you're flying round the world twice, you'll only need to charge them once before that trip starts. Unfortunately, they are missing things like an app, gaming mode, and auto pause. And you'll find these things at headphones around this price tag. Although these headphones are missing these features, these aren't enough for me to deter you from these headphones. I would strongly recommend these headphones for around £60 to £70 as an asking price, as they're definitely worth it at this price. That's all we've got time for. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye. I need to confess, I've got way too many headphones. I need to join like a support group or something where I can just go and stand up and say, hi, I'm from TechForce and I've got way too many headphones, but I'm not parting with any of them because I love them so much.